This is the 4-curler method using happy hair curlers to get heatless curls. So start with clean dry hair and put half your hair up out of the way. With the bottom half of your hair, just split it in half and bring each half around to the front. Now add a little bit of product or a tiny bit of water to your hair to help set your curls. So for the bottom half of your hair, use one of the shorter curlers on each side. You take a little section from the front, twist it away from your face, and wrap it around that curler, folding the top part down to hold it in place. And then you just twist and wrap all the way down the curler, and when you reach the bottom, use a bobby pin to secure it in place. So repeat this process on the other side of your hair. Now that both curlers are in the bottom, just bring them around the back and twist them up into a bun. So now you're ready to repeat this process on the top half of your hair. Just make your part wherever you want it to end up when you're done curling. And go ahead, add your product. Use one of the longer curlers on each side now. And take a small section from the front, twist your hair away from your face, wrap it around the curler, clamp it down, and add little sections of hair until all of your hair from this half of your head is on that curler. So once the 2 longer curlers are in, give it a twist to tighten it up, bring it around the back, cross it over top of the bun, and then connect the 2 curlers together wherever they meet up, usually underneath the bun. So you can just push it and adjust it into place to wherever it's going to be comfortable, and make sure you tuck those top little tabs in out of the way into a comfortable position. So now it's time for your curls to set. You're going to need to leave these curlers in your hair for 1 to 4 hours before you take them out to see your heatless curls. So to take the curlers out, just take those bobby pins out, and then you can loosen up a couple of wraps off the bottom of the curler. Hold your hair close to your scalp and straighten out the top of the curler, and then you can just pull that curler straight down and out. A little tip with the heatless curls is that they will relax on their own, so resist the urge to brush them too much when you first take the curlers out, even if the curls seem a little bit tighter than you really wanted them. Maybe go through them with your hands just a little bit, but don't mess with them too much because they will relax on their own. So I hope you enjoyed this video and try these curlers soon.